Kill Junkrat.
On side. Get out.
Reaper left. Ah, McCree just... Did he ulti only me?
Tracer, get on side, please.
Yes, he did. Garbage.
Dude, what is this freezing thing? Oh my god.
We probably lost this. There's nobody close to side. I lied. Zach, get on side. Zach, get on side.
I'm trying.
You a bitch.
What do you mean?
I saw you hesitate. You like.
Well, yeah, of course I'm gonna hesitate 'cause if I walk on, I'm just gonna die instantly. Like, I'm trying to get a strategic kill. I wasn't playing. Okay.
I literally can play the game so much, like it's actually tilting. This is 20% of shot.